Hey, how are you all? I love traveling a lot. I face a little problem while packing all my stuff. That is lack of space. I want to pack all my good stuffs, but I can't, yaar. Let me introduce a lifesaver stuff for me. That is cube packaging from Destinio. It has 33% extra space, zippers are branded, and stitches are doubled. Also, fabric are so premium and water resistant. It comes in four sizes. First, small size, and second is medium size, third is large size, and fourth is extra large size. Let me show you कि how I use these four cubes. तो first वाले में I am putting some skincare stuff, so that is necessary while traveling. And in second cube I have put shoes and all, and in third I have put towels, socks and nightwears. So I have to keep it in separate. And fourth one I have put it all my clothes. You can buy this cube bag on Destinio.in, and I'm also mentioning product links in the description. You can also avail a special 5% exclusive discount if you use my coupon code, that is Shri5.